This is my jerk oxtail recipe that I made for my 97-year-old grandma.
Rotted and nice at my throat.
This recipe calls for 3 pounds of oxtail. Place into a bowl. Get your beer of choice ready. I am using Red Stripe. Soak your oxtails in beer. This acts as a brine. Add pepper, allspice, salt, onions, and mix together. Cover and place in the refrigerator for at least 3 hours. The longer the better. For the jerk sauce, get a blender. Add onions, salt, brown sugar, allspice, black pepper, nutmeg, thyme, whole peppers, scallions, browning, and Red Stripe. Blend until sauce is well combined. It should look like this. Taste this. It's been about 3 hours. Take oxtail out. Remove from brine. Save the brine because we're going to use it later on in the recipe. Now add the jerk sauce to the oxtails. Mix them together. Fire up your grill. I am using all wood for a better flavor profile. Add your oxtails evenly across the grill. Cover for 30 minutes. Try maintaining the temperature in the 250s to 300 degrees. Open grill and flip over oxtails. This is a char we are looking for. After flipping over, add your jerk sauce on top and grill for another 30 minutes. Now move oxtails to the cooler side of the grill and add more jerk sauce with some beer sprinkled on top. Place a baking pan on top of the grill. Add your oxtails to the pan. Now mix your leftover brine with some of the jerk sauce and add that to the pan with some beer. Cover pan and close the grill for another 20 minutes. You will see the oxtails begin to stew in the brine mixture. Flip oxtails every 5 to 10 minutes to ensure even the cooking. This part is a low and slow process, so be aware of the grill you are using and how tender you will like your oxtails. Now these are done, time to make grandmother try it.
This nice. This nice, me swallow. Rotted and nice, and me throat. It hot. Me rotted.